Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa, or you can say an e-visa, to South Africa online as a group. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already shown you a video where you can apply as an individual. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you like you want to apply as a group. Let's say as a couple, husband, wife want to visit South Africa and they want to apply e-visa so both of them can visit. So how we are going to go through. So in front of you, I have opened this e-visa website of South African government. Here, step one is create your profile, submit, upload, and confirm secure payment. And then if it is granted, you are all good. So first click on that. So these are the countries for which it is available. So before you proceed, make sure you are here. So let's say an Indian couple wants to go. Okay. So uh, so first we need to create the profile. Okay. So for name. So this is full name is required. Okay. Smith. Surname Smith. Passport number. Country of issue India. Country of residence India. When it was issued, let's say one. When it is gonna expire, let's say just sample guys. Okay, use pages, email address and password, and create profile. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens is like it sends you an email to activate, and once you get the email, you can sign in. Okay, so I'm gonna sign in and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so I logged in and this is the place where we're gonna create profile. But one thing, if you go to my profile now, you're gonna see a difference that your name, earlier it was full name, but it's name. So probably there's a mismatch in the, what do you call, their system. But now it should be good because I updated. Perfect. All right. Now go to create application. Completed on behalf of a minor, I select no. Application of visa to temporarily visit the Republic of South Africa. Yes. Please state the number of people applying, including yourself, spouse and children under 18-year age only. Okay. Is the application being on behalf of minor? I said no. So let's say two people are applying. Okay. Nationality of applicant two, it's asking. I select India. Okay. I click on create form. Okay. So one is principal applicant details and then applicant two application details. Perfect. And then at the end, you need to, you can always save it, and it's always a good idea that while you are filling the application, like time to time, click on save so that you do not lose anything track. So let's go for personal detail. Visa category, it's asking me which type of visa, temp application. Okay. Section, well, title, any other formal name, place of birth. Now these things, be very careful and make sure it matches with your passport, because you don't want any mismatch here and then later on struggle. Date of birth. Wow. Just sample. Nationality. Uh, Cell number. Okay. Only one number was required. Facebook handle optional Twitter handle. Like, why will I give that? But they can ask. So you can provide that. So I'll just go for passport, qualification. Let's say graduate, occupation, diplomatic, government, media, military force, educational, commercial, other. So I just said other. Okay. Purpose of visit, I said tourism. If your spouse or other dependents are not accompanying, no, they are accompanying. You do they intend to enter the country at a later stage? No. Uh, South Africa physical address. See, whichever section you complete turns into green. Okay. Then South physical, where you're gonna stay. I'm just gonna put some sample guys. You put provide. You put proper information. City, town. Wow. Wow. Physical address, home physical address. So that's like your Indian address. This can provide full address. Don't do like. Okay, okay, so I'm back and provide proper address. Don't do like this. This time, what we'll do, we'll keep on saving time to time so that system will have some track. Okay, I'll go down and click on save. Okay, okay. So, but it comes here edit. Okay, that's not a bad idea. Hmm. Okay, current physical address. So whatever is applicable in your case, do that. Country code, India, period address. Okay, wow. I just put 10 years. Citizenship details. Present country of citizenship. Select India. Acquired by birth. Do you hold citizenship of other country? I select no. Do you have anything, any other passport identity document? I select no. And if India does not allow dual citizenship, so it's not possible. Marital status. So we have declared married, right? So of course we have to. Marriage time, civil union, date, when it took place. Wow, who forgets their marriage date? Place of marriage. Provide proper information. Do you have any custody or maintenance obligation in respect to children born from such marriages? Permanent legally recognized spouses for small relationship, including legally adopted children. Do uh, as per your case. Okay, I'll go for one more section. Principal applicant, parent details. If you say alive, they're gonna ask the names. Let's say Peter Smith. Oh, given name, I'm sorry. So just Peter. Date of birth, provide their date of birth. Country of birth. Let's say India. Nationality of birth. Let's say India. Present nationality. Let's say India. Wow, so many questions about nationality. Looks like they have good security. It should be. Why shouldn't be? Keep saving. Parent B alive. Let's say Ella Smith. Oh, so just Ella. Principal applicant spouse partner. Wow. So Mrs. Let's say he's married to Nancy Smith. Date of birth. Okay, let's say 1989. Uh, Country of birth, let's say India. Nationality at birth, India. Present nationality, India. Okay, they have asked for her passport details, so but it's optional. But thing is that she's also coming and she's also an applicant. So even if you don't provide here, you have to provide here in the second section. So there's no point in hiding. So whatever it is, provide that information. Country of issue, occupation, let's say, wow, country of residence. Yeah. Does spouse partner hold temporary resident visa? I select no. Physical address. Spot of physical address same as the principal and I select yes. Wow. Now let me save it again. Detail. Option of have I left any mandatory field here? Doesn't look like. Perfect. Parent detail. Spouse partner. Oh, your in-laws. I select unknown. But definitely you know, means I just don't want to fill this more fields. So that's why I'm selecting unknown. But definitely you know, right? In most of the cases, to provide the information. These are 5% visas issued to you valid expired in the last 5 years. Do you have any visa issued to you in last 5 years? I select no. Do you hold a right to re-entry to your country of origin or country of residence if this differs? So this does not differ, right? So I just did to country of origin. Okay, yeah, and fine. So I select yes because if you're a passport holder of India, you are allowed to come back to India. Details of other addresses where you have lived before during past 5 years other than your current address. So I select no, nowhere. Asylum seeker. Have you applied for asylum refugee status in any other country? No. Do you currently hold an asylum or refugee permit? I select no. Contact person. Let's say you have a friend, relative, anything, friend, anything like up to you, but who should be reliable. Let's say he has another friend, Thomas Smith. Thomas Smith, and his full address. Okay. Country code and at least one phone number we need to provide. Details regarding contact person in Republic of South Africa. Okay. Contacts in I select no, but if you have definitely provide like hotel contact or something, definitely provide that. Intention, proposed duration, date of departure for the okay. So let's say you are departing on March 5. The place of departure. Okay. Let's say you're departing from New Delhi. Date of arrival there on 6. Place of arrival. Wow, Durban. Okay. Traveling by air. Intent date of departure. When you are gonna leave South Africa. So I select April 4. So they calculated 4 weeks. Wow. Outline your proposed activities. Okay, give them the plan what you have, which currency you have. So let's say you have INR. How much money you have? Available funds. Okay. How much money you have? A huge amount. South African equivalent. I'm like I don't have calculator now, but I'm just putting. You have a valid train ticket. I select yes. Reference booking number. Wow. They need all the information. Wow. And make sure it matches. Like if you put date of departure, something else, then that could be a problem. Employment record. Have you been employed or are currently employed? I select yes. Name of the employer. Provide the full address. Why not? And country code. Wow. So much of details they want. Much more than many other countries. Employed by this employer. Yes. Period from. Wow. Nature of work. Provide full information. Security health questionnaire. Have you refused entry into deported from Republic of South Africa? No. Dependent a company have ever been convicted of crime in any country? Has criminal case pending against your dependents? Are you or any dependent suffering from tuberculosis, any other infectious contagious disease, and rehabilitated insolvent? Do you have a related dignity incompetent? Attendant to a social organization advocating the practice of social violence and racial hatred? Any additional information you want to do? Put. You have request long-term multiple entry visa. Are you an employee of an airline crew? Are you frequently traveling to South Africa? I select no. Let me save it. Ah, okay. So once you are through all that, same thing you need to do for second applicant too. And then you're gonna click on save and continue. Then you can like sorry, then you need to click on submit. What happens when you click on save and continue? You will come back to the application form. If you click save, you go to the other screen that you see. So yeah, you can select this option. This is definitely better. And then you can submit, and then it will take you to the next page where you'll do the payment and other things and document upload. And from there, it's gonna proceed. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.